I'd like to turn to one more aspect, which is I've heard quite a lot that is quite lacking in the kind of students when they enter the corporate world. I'd like to turn to Colonel, and you have been a part of the senior army officers ranking there. But we are seeing that in the education setup, a lot of people, a lot of members of the education institutions are either from the services, from the army, or from the Air Force or Navy. But this is predominantly happening because a lot of institutions believe that the kind of communication skills which is there in the services may get imparted into the students. Do you believe that the current lot of students need such kind of polishing and disciplining?
Yes, they do. And to qualify what Viraj was saying earlier, there is the aspect of the quality of education that is imparted. Keeping that aside, I mean, that is something that is clearly tangible, which you can address, which you can, put forward by altering the curriculum. But then there are those intangible skills which an individual needs when he joins his workplace. Like for example, he has to be able to understand what is the system that runs that particular organization, how to multitask, what is the big picture, what is the aim of that establishment. I mean, translate what he's learned in college or an MBA institute or in an engineering college and focus that into well-defined goals that meet with the requirements of the organization. What Viraj was talking about is a clear mismatch in his inability to do that. So those skills are not being imparted. We have laid out academic curriculum, but it doesn't address these abilities. So he has to be able to understand what is it in the job that is more important. How does he interact with other members of other departments to synergize his work? He has to be able to work in a team. He has to be able to multitask. All these skills, they don't really learn.
I believe students even think that there are corporate get-togethers and corporate parties which are the norm in the corporate world. And normally you're supposed to, hobnob with the seniors there. The students feel just because it's a party you can relax and you can let your guard down, which is absolutely untrue.
Exactly. The idea of a work party is something that someone has to understand. It is very, very far removed from a purely social gathering. It is the aim here, which has not been imparted to them at their learning stage, is that this is a place where you get to meet senior people, understand and imbibe the values of the company or the organization from the people at the very top on an informal platform. But it is not a place where you let your hair down and loosen your tie, behave in a manner that may not be acceptable.
Right.
So the aim there is to understand for the senior lot what the junior lot perceive and feel, and for the junior lot to understand where the senior lot want to take the organization. So to take it away from a formal structured platform, they take it to a more informal setting, but the formality of that occasion still remains.
Right.